All right, guys, we got a maple here with a little bit of a barber chair style snag in it. Gonna climb up and thin this out, maybe yank it over or just work it down. This cherry tree here, and then we got 2 limbs to take off this little silver maple over here, guys. Got the new spikes today. Got the Gecko Steelies. See how they work compared to the old Buckingham 1970 Buckinghams. It was about time to about time for an upgrade, guys, for sure. So we'll see how we like them. All right, guys, so far so good on the old geckos. I think we're going to take this old girl down first here. And I guess I better, since we're making a cut, put my lifeline in something here. Go for it. I think I can miss my bucket. Oh, don't do that to me. Oh, stop it. Let one go here. Definitely got some back way here. I'd almost like to get this sucker out of there. Oh, that's not loaded. I thought that was loaded. That's not loaded. All right, we're gonna try and take this one. Yeah, I think we can get that one out of there. The reason I'm thinking this through so much is because this has got more back weight than it looks to drop it that way, which I still can. I know I can manipulate it and just take a little more pulling power and wedgemanship. But if I can get that out of here, it's easy work after that. And this, honestly, it's not loaded. So I'm thinking about letting this guy go right here. All right, I missed that base cook, guys. He's already closing up a little bit. It was a little deep, no problem. We're gonna keep our holding wood on the roadside. That way it kind of pulls the limb that way. Yeah, I thought so too. Well, I was hoping it wouldn't, but yeah, I had to do some Mike Tyson stuff there. Yeah, she's a lot healthier down there than what she looks.
Really?
Oh heck yeah, that's holding pretty good. We'll get her out of there, ain't no problem. But I was surprised it didn't don't break free doing that. All right, get my step here. Take me a minute here. All right. Uh-oh. Good thing I saw that before I let it go. We can, I'd like to be able to get down and get that as low as I can. Uh-oh. I don't know if that's good or bad, dude. Hopefully that's just out of gas. Probably out of gas. I did a silver maple last year. I tell you what, I had limbs on it. On that tree is about as big as this one down here in the stem. It was a monster. Oh. Yeah. All right, fire in the hole. Alright guys, we're gonna take these couple little Ys out here and work our way up to do so. Try not to butcher too much stuff up as we do it. Leave a little stool here. Alright, moving on up. Alright, we're gonna let this one go first. I'm gonna do a little bore cut since I got some lean on them. grabbed me at the last second. So, I have to get creative. How much? Well, wasn't planning on that. All right, that worked out. All right, guys, we got most of that tree done. We got to get this cherry tree out right here. I was just gonna fall it, but after walking around it a few times, I think we're gonna put a rope in it for sure, just to be safe. It's got a lot of back lean, as you can see from this angle, and we want to manipulate it to go the other way. So I want to work on getting a rope in it, get this down, and start cleaning up some stuff, and then we're gonna take this maple down back here. All right, guys, got my tag line in the tree here. Everything hooked up. The only reason I'm doing this is because, as you can see, it's got some back weight here, so that's just in case I want to get a hold of it and yank her over. But get my wedges and stuff, let the saw warm up, get to work here. get the other saw out just so I can sneak in there, since that's, get the other saw here real quick. Yeah, I just want to be able to sneak in there and not cut the snot out of my wedge. Here she goes. Well, we tickled her a little more than I'd like, but that still wasn't too bad.
Better not done.
Not too bad. Perfect hinge. Perfect size hinge there. That's actually right where I was putting it, but I didn't want to be on that tree. I did get one of your branches there, but right. Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. Don't worry about that.
I'm just making sure we don't have any danglers here. We're good. All right, guys, we got the most of that cherry tree cleaned up, and now taking down the old maple here. much. See what happens with a little tug.
It's going.
That's what I thought.
You hit the one closest to me?
Yeah, I got it just about buried. I might try to push it in all the way. I think just a little tug. And another thing, I think I might be maxed out on the wedge. It felt pretty solid. It might get a little more. Yeah. Oh, there went a little bit.
It's going.
Is it still moving good?
Yeah.
Thing about this one, it's so bottom heavy, you know, there ain't much up there.
It's going.
All right, see what a little persuasion does. Yep, a little persuasion probably get her. I'll let it settle down for a minute here. See. Yep. I'll I'll try to drive a double. We'll get a double.
I think you got space now. You moved it.
Hey, it ain't holding by much.
No,
Probably got loose wedges now.
I think you do. I think that one. Yep.
Yeah, well, that one's definitely loose. All right, we'll try and double.
Yeah, when you were hitting that one on the right there, man, it was moving.
I'd rather be on that side to get it in my hole. Yeah. I don't want to break the hinge here. So these aren't the best wedges for doubling up. It can't take much more. Yeah. All right. I know I got more holding wood on the left side, and I think that's what's holding us a little bit. A little right where we wanted it, but still not too bad. I pruned your tulip tree up a little more. Nice. That's so funny because I hit the exact, well, we don't have any hangers, so that's good. I hit the exact same spot with the cherry tree. Yeah. Like right on it.